Hello everyone, welcome to FixZone.
Today we will be discussing how to delete apps on your iPhone. We're going to go over multiple methods, so let's get started. The first way to delete apps on your iPhone is probably the most common. Find the app you want to delete on your home screen. Press and hold the application icon. You'll see a menu pop up. From this menu, click on Remove App at the bottom. Now it's crucial to select Delete App, not Remove from home screen. You'll get another prompt asking if you're sure you want to delete the app and its data. Select Delete, and after a few seconds, it'll be gone. Okay, on to the second method.
Go to your home screen and scroll all the way to the *right* until you reach your app library.
Select the search bar at the top, and type in the name of the app you want to delete.
Once you've found it, press and hold the application icon again.
You'll see the familiar menu. Choose Delete App, and then confirm by selecting Delete App again in the prompt. After a short moment, the app will disappear, successfully deleted. Alright, for the third way, we'll use the Settings app. Go to your Settings application. Scroll down and find General, then tap on it. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down and find the app you want to delete. If you have a lot of apps, you might need to tap Show All to see the complete list. Once you find the app, tap on it, then tap Delete App. Confirm one last time by tapping Delete App in the pop-up menu. And just like that, it's gone from your iPhone. Now, if you're trying to delete an app and you don't see the option to delete, it probably means you need to adjust your screen time settings. To do this, go back to the Settings application. Scroll down until you find Screen Time, and tap it. Now scroll down slightly to Content and Privacy Restrictions, and tap there. Next, tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Then find Deleting Apps, and tap on that. Make sure Allow is selected. Once you've done this, you can close out of the Settings app. The next time you try to delete an app, you should see the option to delete it. If you still don't see the option, you might need to wait a few seconds before trying again. And that's it. So, if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to FixZone for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.